Hello, today we will guide you through how to add bullet points in Google Sheets. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you a simple way to insert a bullet point directly into a cell in Google Sheets using your keyboard. This is useful when you want to make notes, create compact lists, or improve the formatting of information inside a spreadsheet without needing any complicated tools or add-ons. To begin, open your Google Sheets file and go to the spreadsheet where you want to add the bullet point. Once the sheet is on screen, take a moment to locate the cell where you want the bullet to appear. You can use any blank cell or a cell where you're planning to type a list or a short itemized note. Next, click on the sample cell, or in other words, the cell where you want to place the bullet point. Selecting the correct cell first is important because whatever you type next will be entered there. If you accidentally click the wrong cell, just click the correct one before continuing. Now with the cell selected, press Alt plus the number 7 on your keyboard's numeric keypad. This keyboard shortcut inserts a bullet symbol. After the bullet appears, you can continue typing text right after it if needed, which is helpful for creating a neat list item inside the cell. If the bullet doesn't appear right away, make sure you are using the numeric keypad rather than the number row at the top of your keyboard. That detail often makes the difference. Also, depending on your device or keyboard layout, shortcuts can behave a little differently, so it's a good idea to confirm that numlock is enabled if your keyboard has that option. This method is especially handy for users who want a fast formatting trick without leaving the keyboard. It keeps your workflow smooth and makes your spreadsheet content easier to scan, especially when you're organizing multiple points inside one sheet. And that's all it takes to add a bullet point in Google Sheets. Open your sheet, click the cell you want to edit, and use Alt plus num 7 to insert the bullet. Once you've done it once, it becomes a quick habit you can use anytime you want. Cleaner, more organized entries in your spreadsheet. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps make your Google Sheets formatting a little easier.